Happy watching, Ma'am Mary Ann Villegas Dichi.
Maybe you don't know me any more than I know you, and I wouldn't blame you if you walked away. I've been watching you all evening with those teardrops in your eyes, and it touches me much more than I can say. You know, I hate to think that someone would have hurt someone like you, and if I was in, I'd be right by your side. Lay your troubles on my shoulders, put your worries in my pocket, press your love on me wide. Lay your troubles on my shoulders, put your worries in my pocket, press your love on me wide. Saw you in the corner from the moment I walked in. Saw your lonely face across the room. No, I won't forget, and the way it might have been. Why did you have to leave it so soon? You know, I hate to think that someone could have loved you more than me, and if the times like this, I'll be right by your side. Lay your troubles on my shoulders, put your worries in my pocket, press your love on me wide. Lay your troubles on my shoulders, put your worries in my pocket, press your love on me wide. How long must I wait for the last seems to be here and the last chance to come? Just to think that I was born too soon. How long had it when your loving dog comes? I wasn't there when you loved me. You just didn't know how to begin. Lay your troubles on my shoulders, put your worries in my pocket, press your love on me wide. Lay your troubles on my shoulders, put your worries in my pocket, press your love on me wide.
Rayaw ni Ilocano.
Nalipatan mo na eh.
Pati.